Hello, my name is Alpin Yashar and I'm the Applications Engineer here at Swift Sensors. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create and use conversions in the Swift Sensors console. For some applications, a third-party sensor is used with a Swift sensor in order to record measurements not initially supported by the Swift sensors. For example, a flow meter with a 4 to 20 mA output can be used with a 4 to 20 mA Swift sensor in order to transmit those measurements to the Swift Sensors console. In order for the milliamp output to be read as a flow reading in the Swift Sensors console, a conversion needs to be created. You can find conversions underneath the Tools icon. Once on this page, you can click on the plus icon to create a new conversion. Once on this page, you can name this conversion and give it a description if needed. You also choose the conversion type and the conversion formula. Next, you select your input, and then since it's a 4 to 20 mA output, we can just put 4 to 20. And then on the output, we'll select what type of output we want. Then we can select the units for this output. And then we can select our output values. These output values will be found on the data sheet of whatever third-party sensor that you're using. Once you've inputted everything, you can now click the blue check mark and the conversion will be created. Once the conversion is created, you'll have the option to apply the conversion to sensors within your account. Thank you for watching. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact us at www.swiftsensors.com/support or email us at support@swiftsensors.com.